Good morning, this is Tornado R1169 60163. It's in BR green, Hornby model. I haven't put coal in the tender because the coal there you can't really do a lot with. The later locomotives are better, where you can take out whatever they've got there and put it back. I could do something about it if I really wanted to, but as yet I have not. I've put crew in it, it's got cab detailing. The outer detailing in my view is superb. The real Tornado was finished building it in 2008, top speed of 90 miles per hour. That is a top speed mainline certified. The locomotive will do 100 miles an hour. The original A1s were designed by Peppercorn. This locomotive, the main difference being between this one and the older models is it has been built to modern specifications. So basically, let's put it like this: if you restore a locomotive and it's got something which is not to the latest regulations, and they're not critical regulations, then it can be left. If you build something new, then it has to meet all those regulations. There's no flexibility in what you can and cannot have. Anyway, back to this Hornby locomotive. I hope you enjoy seeing it run, and thank you for watching. Now, just a point, this has no connections to the tender, so I don't believe it's DCC ready. And that's through the crossover, no problem at all. And here we are going through a Y point, a curve point, and I've put crew in it. And it just goes to show you do not need pickups in the tender if it's a good locomotive. You really do not. And these are insull frog points, by the way. They're not live points, or elector frog as you may wish to call them. And here we are going through a Y point, and if you can bring it back please. And these are insull frog points, and bear in mind there are no connections to the tender. And here we are moving it really slowly, slower than you would run it, but just to show that this locomotive will go slowly, exactly the same backwards as it will forwards, and as slow as we can possibly do it. And here we are going through the station, and forward please. Really slowly. Let's just show how slow this can run. And you can see it's pretty good. Again, and remember there's no pickups in the tender. Okay, what we're going to do now is test Tornado on this radius 2 bend. The first part is easier because it's going into a points crossover. Here is tightest, so we'll do the easy part first. If you can take it back, we'll see what this can do. And can you bring it forward please? And can you bring it back please? And here we're doing the tightest part of the track here. Radius 2 all the way round, and can you bring it back please the other way? And can you bring it back please? And can you bring it forward please? And you can see no issues at all through that challenging piece of track. Right, we're going to test this going forward, because as you know the trains can be different. And take it back please. and that was the easiest of the radius 2. And can you bring it forward please? And that's a little bit tighter. And can you bring it back please? And this is tight, this is really tight. As with all my tests, you know, I don't just run them around the track. You see exactly what the loco can do. And can you bring it back please? Fantastic. And here you can see Tornado at the top end of the circuit. No problem at all. And now we're going to take it round through that points crossover. And here we are taking coaches through reverse curves, no problem at all. And here we are through a points crossover. Simples. Here comes the Express. And here's the Pullman sightseeing train. And here comes the Pullman Express. Here's the Pullman sightseeing train. Here's the Pullman Express. And here we are through a points crossover. A slightly different panoramic of the war loop, and you can see Tornado going round. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.